So Momma Trades is exactly that, just a mama who trades. I have been in and out of several trading communities where it was really hard to connect with the predominantly male industry. So I decided that, I really wanted to try and find other moms out there who have the same goal, who want to be stay-at-home moms and have a skill to learn how to trade. And it's just easier to keep going whenever you feel like there's no light at the end of the tunnel, you're just tired. It's just a different world, I feel, for moms learning to trade than even fathers learning to trade because, with postpartum or hormones combined with like the already highs and lows of learning how to trade, it's just, I feel like we need our own little community. Obviously, the content can reach other traders as well because I want to connect with beginning traders. I think it's very important to see the highs and the lows when it comes to trading because there's so much on social media that's really just showing the glitz and the glam, the watches, the traveling, the Ferraris, the mansions. And I myself have fallen victim to just thinking, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm never gonna get it, and just gotten that downward spiral of poor me, like this is too hard. And it's not true. Like, there is a process. We're all gonna have to go through the hardships of trading. I don't think there's very many people who just found trading and got it. So yeah, Momma Trades is just a mom at home learning how to trade. I used to be a flight attendant, and so that really propelled this eagerness for me to succeed at being a trader because I personally was flying corporate. I was traveling around the world 7+ months a year. I had fellow flight attendant moms. I saw the life of aviation, not seeing your children's milestones, first steps, things of that nature. So I knew that this was something that I had to stick with and learn so that I could be at home with my daughter. And it's one of the best things that I've ever pursued. I got into trading really out of a curiosity over the years. I've dabbled in and out of different markets. I think 2017, 2018 is when I first became interested in stocks. So I tried to figure out which stocks I could buy and hold. And then I actually ended up in some sort of MLM, I think Tradera for Forex. I tried to learn that way. Obviously that didn't go well, but I am grateful that it led me to the industry in its own way. Then I started buying crypto, a lot of spot buying ETH and Bitcoin and several different types of altcoins. I was in the NFT scene big time for a while during the NFT craze or whatever. But then there did come a time where I thought to myself, I want to become a legitimate trader. Like, I had some success with some shit coins, did really well with some Shiba, some Pepe, some Doge, but I came to this realization that it's kind of embarrassing for me to explain to people. I didn't want to become like a shitcoin millionaire. I have friends that absolutely did. But I was like, I want to take this seriously and I want to make a career out of this. So I started pursuing how to learn how to trade. I was on YouTube trying to piece strategies together. Didn't really realize I was searching for a strategy. It was just trying to learn how to trade. So it was real messy for a while. I had all these different indicators all over my chart. Just couldn't find a system. And then I'd say about a year ago is when I found a simple strategy that I was able to, just learn simple trend lines and support and resistance. I'm so grateful for the mentor that I had that taught me that. And then I've had the opportunity to be mentored by some really bigger names in this space that's really set me on a good trajectory, I believe, to becoming successful. So yeah, I'm finally got a strategy, got rules to stick by, and I'm working on my psychology and my discipline to become a profitable trader.